Good morning, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn some random facts. Now let's get started. What if all the humans suddenly disappear? Animals will be very happy. Global warming will be a thing of past, and levels of global warming will go down. Domesticated animals will be sad as they will not be there anymore. Nature will reclaim its place. Trees and bushes will shoot out of buildings and factories. Stock markets will be zero. Now let's learn about some facts. Canadians say sorry so much that the law passed in 2009 declaring an apologize can't be used as a evidence of admission to guilty. One habit of intelligent human is being easily getting annoyed by people around them, but saying nothing in order to avoid meaningless argument. In 2006, a Coca-Cola employee offered to sell Coca-Cola Secret to Pepsi. Pepsi responded by notifying Coca-Cola. Example for tit for tat. The only letter that doesn't appear in the periodic table is J. Now let's know about another fact. Woman speaks about 20,000 words a day. That is 13,000 more than an average man. What if oxygen disappeared for 5 seconds on Earth? As it is only for 5 seconds, we won't know changes in breathing. We will be in free fall as crust has 45% of oxygen and crust will crumble. The bridges, buildings, and concrete structures will crumble into dust as oxygen is a binding agent for concrete. Cars won't start and planes would fall as their combustion chamber won't work without oxygen. Also, losing means losing 21% of air pressure, which causes our inner ear to explode and causing hearing loss. Facts. Venus. Venus is the only planet in the solar system that rotates in clockwise direction. Did you know if two pieces of the same type of metal touching in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck? The amazing effect is called cold welding. Can we travel faster than the speed of light? To explore many places, we need to travel very fast. It's observed that light is the fastest thing in the world as its speed is 1,86,282 miles per second. So, light from Earth takes 1.3 seconds to reach Moon. Now let's compare it with Apollo 11 spacecraft which took 75 hours and 25 minutes to just enter the orbit of Moon. If we travel faster or at the speed of light, uh, we could easily time travel and see our future. But it is impossible to travel faster than the speed of light because Einstein's theory of relativity says we need energy to move an object at speed of light and we need infinite amount of energy which is impossible. Now let's know about some facts. Hershey's Kisses are named after kissing sound that deposits chocolates as it falls from the machine on the conveyor belt. If you cut down a cactus in Arizona, you will be penalized up to 25 years in a jail. It's similar to cutting down a protected tree species. In Colorado, USA, there is still an active volcano that last erupted about the same time as where the pyramids were built in Egypt. Another fact. If you announce your goals to others, you are less likely to succeed. Studies confirm you lose motivation. What if our sun become a black hole? Black holes are formed when 10 times larger than our sun or more use up all their fuel. Eventually, they collide under their own gravity and become a black hole. If our sun becomes a black hole, it will be less than 6 kilometers. Everything will be pitch dark as there will be no sunlight. Without sunlight, life has been no it. Human beings will slowly but surely disappear. Planets will not get sucked in sun, as it will not contain matter as it has now. Facts. Pakistan is a home to one of the oldest civilizations in the world dating back to 4000 BC. Japan, situated along the Pacific Ring of Fire, Japan experiences 1500 earthquakes in a year. Why are some people left-handed? It is not fully understood that why are some people left-handed while others are right-handed. Some scientists say that genetics might play a role in determining the hand dominance. When the baby is in the womb, there are two types of genes known as D and C. If both parents give D gene, the baby will surely be right-handed. If one parent gives G and other C, the baby might have 90% right-handed and 10% left-handed. If both parents give CG, the baby will have 50-50 chances as 50% right-handed and 50% left-handed. Now let's know about some facts. Astronaut is a compound word derived from the ancient Greek words. Ast means astro, meaning star, and not meaning sailor. So astronaut literally means star sailor. The flashes of colored light when you rub your eyes are called phonophores. At birth, a baby panda is smaller than a mouse. Iceland doesn't have a railway system. Do we have? Thank you for listening to my video. Like, comment,